Hi, this is Scott with 4D Tech. Today we're in this F-150 where we want to add the heated seat icons to the home screen to duplicate the function of the switches down here. In the newer trucks that have the heated and cooled seat switches on the dash, those are no longer on the touchscreen, but some people like to add those to the touchscreen. We're going to be using the 4D Tech can opener flash programmer to perform this function. You can buy this can opener flash to either add the heated seat icons to the screen, or if your truck is equipped with heated and cooled seats, it'll add those icons instead, depending on the can opener flash that you select in the listing. For more details on the year and models that this covers, check out the description below or the product listing on the 4D Tech website. Now we'll show you how this works. We'll simply run the can opener flash programmer by plugging it into the diagnostic port underneath the dash. When it's plugged in, it'll blink blue while it is programming the screen. The system will reboot while it's programming. Once it turns green, the programming is complete and the programmer can be unplugged from underneath the dash. Once the system is booted back up, you see that the icons are now added to the screen. And you can control the heated seats either from the icons or from the switches on your dash still, and it'll appear on both. As stated before, if you have a trim level that has the heated and cooled seat switches, when you choose the appropriate programmer on the website, the icons will be for heated and cooled seats. Now you see how simple it is to add the heated and cooled seats icons, depending on the trim level of your vehicle, to your Ford truck using the can opener flash programmer from 4D Tech. I'm Scott. Thank you for checking out our video.